Here is my taco shell tutorial. So as you can see, the taco shell is kind of bubbling and then I fold it over. I don't fold it before it does that because if not, it'll crumble in half and you won't have a taco shell. I have it over a medium heat to where it's not too hot, and I'm using vegetable oil. I use the La Banderita tortilla shells. You can use whatever kind you want, but I just like the texture of those. And I use the white corn. You can get it to the consistency as far as the color you want. The darker the taco shell, the more crispier it is. I personally like mine medium almost, so it'll be a little bit soft and a little bit crunchy in texture as well. But this is a taco shell from scratch.